are we going to do?
We're going to do some skydiving today.
So what made you think of doing this?
I've always wanted to do something.
Okay. You waited a while. A couple years, right on. Let's go around the mud. Any thoughts before we get to the airplane?
No.
Let's go have some fun. So, you're sitting at the door. I put my foot out and I say, Norman, put your feet up. So you lean back into me and take one foot at a time and put it on the step. Yeah, just like that. I'll be there. It'll be a little harder than that, but just grab your pant legs, whatever's necessary. Okay, so you don't grab onto anything, cross your arms across the top. Yeah, just like that. Head back, and I'll bring it back. Yeah. Then I'm going to say take a deep breath. And exhale. Yeah. All about relaxing, you're going to remember way more. Then I'm going to say ready, set, go. We're going to leave our feet on the step and just I'll roll it right out over top of our feet. That's all there is to it. Come on out. Stand right there, please. So, your arms are still crossed. I'm going to do a quick safety check, and then I'm going to tap your arms. Just bring your arms out to the side. Now we're for skydiving. Camera will be right about here. Give it a good smile. You can bring your hands in, whatever you want. We're going to fly around until 5,000 feet, then I'm going to open the parachute. At that point, I'm going to bring down the steering toggles in front of us, and you're going to put your hands in the bottom loop of the steering toggles, and you're going to be driving. But at that point in time, we can talk, so it won't be a problem. In between 1,000 and 2,000 feet, I'm going to take control of the parachute and bring us into land. Now, the one thing on landing that you're going to have to do, and I'm sure you've seen them doing it, show me with one leg. Oh, you're going to have no problem. I am very happy. Oh!
But I could use a little company. I got to both people to bring to a better beat. The weak and in the knees, busting road, busting up out of the seat to the bare feet. Cashed out, banking on a total sweep. Now the two left feet, left feet. Know your role and don't make waves. You told me once and please don't make me hear it again. I can't control what's happening, and now it's done, but karma keeps on spanking me. Sadomasochist, punish me. Did I punctured in. Good pitch, big swing, no hit, I miss. You win. Keep swinging for fences, got a hankering for one big hit. But it's time to keep your eyes on the prize with your head up your ass on the door glass. Do you want out of here like I do? Lord, I do. Do you want out of here like I do? Lord, I do. Lord, I do. Here I put the walks across my path that seems to shoot don't fit. I'm lost in every avenue I pass, still have to keep walking. The remedy for mediocrity is to swim out of skin. I almost got comfortable in it, but it still don't fit, and it never will. Do you want out of here like I do? Lord, I do. Do you want out of here like I do? Lord, I do. Yeah, Lord, I do. Lord, I do.
That was excellent.
Lord, I do. Well, I don't need you around. Lord, I need your attention.